Stopping recurring gym fees should not take hours of effort. So here is how to cancel Crunch Fitness membership online and block auto draft payments immediately. First, sign into your Crunch Fitness online member portal using your browser and head straight into the account billing dashboard. Locate your active subscription plan, choose Manage Membership, and turn off recurring autopay to prevent automated monthly processing. If your portal locks this toggle, the billing system relies on an active payment token, which brings us to method 2 for stopping unauthorized withdrawals. Log into your online bank platform, navigate to Recurring Payment Controls, and issue a formal merchant stop payment order directly against Crunch Fitness. To ensure complete protection, method 3 requires opening your account payment settings and replacing your primary debit card with a paused virtual card or zero balance funding source. If the system refuses card updates, method 4 provides a direct communication workaround where you email formal cancellation documentation with your member ID directly to support, forcing an immediate record update. Following these exact steps guarantees your membership closes cleanly without surprise recurring drafts hitting your bank account ever again.